motor there, get the gear on. Look at me, doesn't look like a Christmas tree. So we're back on the gorse clearance today. So what they've been doing is chopping out big fire breaks like that, so if any kids do set it alight, it's not going to catch. So we're going to start right down there and get all the gorse out, well, as much as we can again today. See you in a bit. Just clearing this section out. Into this now. Well, it's a bit of a wet and miserable day today. I didn't make it up here last weekend for the green team, but I did come in on Monday for the construction team, but that's at a different section of the canal. But it looks like last weekend the green team have obviously been clearing this area, and basically we're just down that way, about here, just clearing down there. I'm going to take a walk back down to where I'm working now. Better go and crack on. So you can just about see the brickwork up there. Well, not really on the camera, but just behind all those fawns, dead plants. You can see how much has been overgrown there and how much has got to come out just to get back to the wall. But apparently we're clearing this out down here, so then they can get dumper trucks up, Land Rovers up, and actually start digging, excavating bits out where they need to. So we're just widening this bit down here so they've got access to come through. Oh, you can see the first signs of spring on the way. Snowdrops are out. If we look down here, you've got daffodils on the way, snowdrops, and I think that's crocuses, or what do you call a lot of them, croci. Got the snowdrops. And the daffodils already about to, well, they're budding. Morning. As you can see, this pile of gorse down there, it's growing and growing.